Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. In this video, I am going to show you how can you buy Bitcoins into your Coinbase application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browsers into your computer. And now after opening your browser into your computer, just simply open the site of Coinbase. And after opening the site, simply log in into your account into Coinbase site. Now after logging in, it will show something like this homepage. Just simply click into this search button to search the asset and select Bitcoin or search Bitcoin into there. And then it will show real-time value of Bitcoin into here. And after that, you can also see buy, sell and convert option. You can buy Bitcoin into your Coinbase from this buy section into here. But in order to do that, you have to verify your account and account information. My account information is not yet verified, so I can't do the full process into here. But it will be very simple after coming into this page. Just simply click into buy section and enter your password and information correctly, then you can easily buy your Bitcoin into Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.